question?
Of course, Dr. Nora. What can I help you with?
I got a few elder patients with gout, and I'm thinking of prescribing allopurinol, but some of them are already on aspirin for heart issues. I'm a little unsure. Can these two be taken together?
That's a really good question, Doc. Alpurinol is effective for lowering uric acid in gout. But you're right, aspirin, especially in low doses, can slightly increase uric acid levels, which might make alpurinol a bit less effective.
So, should I avoid using them at the same time?
Not necessarily, Doc. If they're on low-dose aspirin, like for heart protection, it's usually okay to continue. The interaction isn't considered major, and the cardiovascular benefits of aspirin often outweigh the small risk of increased uric acid. You'll just want to monitor the uric acid levels and watch their gout symptoms.
Okay, got it. So it's more about keeping an eye on things rather than stopping the aspirin.
Exactly. Also, just a reminder, when starting allopurinol, it's best to begin with a low dose and slowly increase it. Sometimes, I also suggest short-term NSAIDs or colchicine to prevent flares and during the first few weeks.
Thanks. That clears it up. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all, Dr. Nora. Let me know if you need anything else. I will always be here to assist you if you need it. Until then, take care.